Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is very important video for PES University counseling process, which is explained in full detail. And this is part 1 of the video. So if you start with first the schedule for the counseling, right? So you have submitted already the rank list, which was announced on 25th of May, and now the first round of counseling is going to start from June 6th 2026. So first round of counseling, PESU JEE counseling, and for June 15th, which is the last date to upload for KCET students. So this is applicable only for the KCET rank for KCET students, but for the JEE means PESU JEE students, first round will happen start from June 6th, and the last date for registration for KCET students will be June 15th. So, and for the KCET student, the counseling will extend up to June 22nd. But for the PESU students, it is going to happen physically on 6th June. So 6th June is very important, and after that July they will have last date for early admission and first round PESU JEE based students, and when they will put the submit original documents, and also for the surrender students of the previous round. After that, for the PESU student, PES University JEE students, second round of counseling will start in July 2026, but the date for second round of counseling is not there. After that, there will be first round of counseling for PESU KCET counseling. So there are two ways of counseling, KCET and JEE. For first round, PESU KCET counseling will happen in July-August, second round in August, and then the orientation program for the college will happen in the Ring Road campus in August. Orientation program for the Electronicity campus will also happen separately in the Electronicity campus, and the commencement of the classes will start in the August end. So this is whole dates for both PES University JEE as well as the KCET students. Now let's understand the round 1 counseling, which is for first round PESU PES University JEE counseling for btech admission on 6th June 2026. So again, for this also you should be eligible and you should have got minimum 60% in PCM, which is physics, chemistry, maths, in your class 12th second PUC exam, right? And the necessary documents should be provided at the counseling session, right? Without which candidates will not be allowed to do the counseling seat selection process. So for venue for the counseling will be PES University Ring Road campus and 100 feet outer ring road, right? And Banshankari third stage, and it is mandatory for candidates to come in person. So this is in physical counseling to the above mentioned address. Everyone has to attend, which is their main campus. First, you have to also confirm your attendance for counseling by signing into dashboard below, and I will also give the link in the description how you can confirm. So you have to sign in with your details and into the dashboard, and then you have to confirm that you are going to join for the counseling. So that is the counseling process and what will be the schedule. So there will be 3 sessions on June 6th, which is the counseling schedule. First, rank between 1 to 1500 PESU JEE ranks, session 1, 7:30 am they will report to the registration window, and counseling and seat selection will start from 8:15 am. For the second session, students for the rank 1500 to 3200 ranks, and again here the reporting time is 11:30 am, and the counseling presentation and seat selection will happen up to 12:15 pm. Next round will be the S3 or the session 3, which is for 3200 ranks to 5600 ranks, and for all the students 3:30 is the reporting time or the registration time, and the counseling presentation and seat selection will happen up to 4:15 and onwards. So candidates can report to counseling venue on that particular date and time, and they will be given based on the JEE ranks, right? So what is the process? What are the things which you have to carry? First is the 4 DDs. Everyone who comes for the counseling, they will have to prepare 4 DDs. 4 DDs in favor of PES University General Fund payable at Bangalore. So that is the on the demand draft you should mention PES University General Fund and what will be the amount for each of these 4 DDs. So first DD should be bigger amount 4,50,000. Second DD should be 50,000. Third DD should be 50,000 and fourth DD should be 10,000. This is based on the fees for particular branches, right? So if you get one particular branch, you will have to give 1 or 2 or 3 of those DDs or 4 of them, but based on your branch what you get. So candidates who have already blocked their seat in higher fees quota need not get any DD, but should get the original free receipt if they have already paid the amount with photocopy of original fee receipt. So this is for the EAC student. For it is not mandatory for candidates to have already secured the merit list through EAC, which is early admission commitment. All those who are fresh students should be also coming for the counseling, right? So both are allowed. However, such candidates can participate if they are trying to change the campus specialization through the first round of PES JEE counseling with their PESU JEE rank card. So all the early admission commitment students are now coming in this counseling with their JEE mains revised card if they have got the more ranks in the second shift, right? So now let's also talk if the candidate has EAC seat in biotechnology, EEE, mechanical, they should give 2 DDs 50,000 and 50,000, which are additional DDs. If candidate currently has EA seat early admission commitment in ECE branch, they will give only 1 DD of 50,000. If student has EAC seat in computer science or engineering or CSE AIML, those students will not give any DD because they have already paid the complete fees, right? So that is the EAC candidate should also get the fee receipt of the amount already paid along with the photocopy of the fee receipt, right? And this fee receipt can be downloaded by signing into a dashboard under the online payment section, right? So it is also very important to know that you have to bring the full DD. You cannot bring the partial DD, right? Partial DD will not be entertained, accepted by university, and it will be not allowed to participate in the seat selection process. So please understand, you have to bring all the 4 DD for the same amount which is mentioned and for the same draft name which is mentioned, you have to bring in that favor. And if a candidate selects a seat in computer science engineering either at Ring Road campus or Electricity campus, computer science engineering, then they have to submit the DD of 4,50,000 and 50,000 and 50,000 and 10,000. If candidate selects a seat in electronics and communication engineering ECE either at Ring Road campus or Electricity campus, then they have to pay only 3 DDs, which is 4,50,000 plus 50,000 plus 10,000. They can retain their DD of 50,000 and take them back. If the candidate selects a mechanical engineering branch, electrical electronics engineering branch or the biotechnology branch, then that candidate should submit only 2 DDs, 4,50,000 and 10,000. Then those type of branch students can retain the 2 other DDs of 50,000 with them and they can carry back. So that is the overall process of how DDs will be given based on the branch you get. So that is the first update. And please note that no other payment modes are accepted other than DD. So all the registration process to be complete, candidate should produce DD without fail, and otherwise they will not participate in the, and candidates will be collected from DDs will be collected from candidates only if candidates have a seat in the seat counseling process. If candidates reject the seat or choose to attend the second round of counseling, that candidate can take back all the DDs with them. So this is the first part of the video. Second video I'll make about the documents which are required for the counseling and the rest of the actual counseling process where you have to sit and other things. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.